Yeah, very good morning to you all, the students. Last class we are discussing about mirror formula and magnification, and I have given three important questions in last class. I don't know whether you have solved it or not, and it is difficult to check all the homeworks because some students are regular but some are not giving full attention, and it is very important topic. So I think I am solving up to some extent these numericals, and if you have done it, you just check it whether you are right or wrong, and I will solving so that you can make your concept further clear. So the first question which I have given in the last class was find the size, nature and position of image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror or focal length 10 centimeter. Isn't it? So first we will write down the given things. So what you have to calculate? Size. You have to calculate size of the object. It means you have to put a question mark against h dash, or size of image, another symbol is hi. Then its nature. And then position of image means you have to calculate the image distance where the image is located. Now size of object is given. It means h is given 1 centimeter and is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror. So u object distance is given, and as you know, object distance is always negative because we place object towards left of the pole. That's why u is minus 15 centimeter. And the focal length of concave mirror is also given. Focal length is 10 centimeter. Now tell me whether it will be plus 10 centimeter or minus 10 centimeter. So in concave mirror, just recall your concept. In sign convention also we have discussed. Suppose we have a concave mirror. Suppose this is principal axis, and if a ray of light, parallel rays of light falls on it, so after reflection they meet at a point, and this point is principal focus, and we have P here, pole. So this PF distance is the focal length, and you see it is towards left of the pole. So here F is negative, so we will write minus 10 centimeter. So if you have written these things carefully in your first question, then only you are going to solve it correctly. So you first know how to write the given things correctly with their sign conventions and what you have to calculate. So now we will first calculate V with the help of mirror formula. So using mirror formula, as we have discussed in last class, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So it will be 1 by V plus 1 by U. U is minus 15 is equal to 1 by F, and F is minus 10. So it will be 1 by V minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by minus 10. Now shifting this term towards the right side, so it will be positive. So it will be like this, 1 upon 10 minus and plus 1 by 15. Now take the LCM. So I think LCM is 30. So it will be minus 3 plus 2. So 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 30. Therefore, V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. It means your image will be located 30 centimeter away from the pole, and minus sign indicates that it is towards left of the pole. The position of image will be. Now next we will calculate H dash, that is height or size of the image. So as we know, H dash by H is equal to minus V by U. This was fourth equation in the last class. You must learn the formulas, then you will be able to solve the numericals. So we have to calculate H dash. So H dash by H is given, it is 1 minus V is how much? Now we have calculated, it is minus 30. And how much U is? U is minus 15. So this minus cancel. So H dash is equal to, and it is 15 2s are 30. So it will be minus 2 into 1 cross multiplication. Therefore, H dash is equal to minus 2 centimeter. It means size of image or height of object is minus 2 centimeter. So why minus sign? Minus sign, it means it is above the principal axis or below the principal axis. It is below the principal axis. As we have written in the sign convention, when the objects are above or perpendicular to the principal axis, it is positive, and when heights are below or perpendicular to the principal axis, it will be negative. So negative, it means image is formed below the principal axis. Below principal axis, it means it is real or virtual image. It is real image, because virtual images are always erect above the principal axis. So what we can write about nature? Nature is real and inverted. Minus 2 indicates that it is below the principal axis. It means inverted image, and inverted images are always real. So we can, in this way, we can write the nature of the image. So you have to calculate these three things: position of image, size of image, and nature. It is real and inverted. I think it will help you, and if you have solved it in this way, it is very, very good. And those who are facing difficulty, I think they will now feel easy to solve the questions. That's why I am solving these numericals. Now I want to solve another question. Because in class I can check that who is facing difficulty, and those who make it easily. But as you know, through these classes there is no way out. You can't reach there, and I can't check your copy in the classroom. So the next question is, I think it was, a truck uses a convex mirror as a viewfinder whose radius of curvature is 2 meters. So here we have a convex mirror, and radius of curvature of mirror is given 2 meters, and a Maruti car is coming behind the truck at a distance of 10 meters. It means Maruti car is the object and it is 10 meter behind the truck. So object distance is always negative, so it will be minus 10 meter, isn't it? What will be the position of image of the car? It means you have to calculate V and size of the image. Size of the image, it means you have to calculate H dash, isn't it? So these are the given things and we have to calculate V and H dash. So what is the relationship between focal length and radius of curvature? In last class we have discussed in the previous classes that f is equal to r by 2. Focal length is half of radius of curvature. So it will be 2 meter by 2. So focal length is 1 meter. Now it is a convex mirror, not a concave mirror. So in convex mirror, focal length is positive or negative? Let us check. A convex mirror is like this. The outer surface is the reflecting surface and this is pole. We draw a horizontal line through the pole. This is principal axis. Now suppose two parallel rays of light are coming. They strike the mirror surface. They reflect back in this direction. And if you will produce it backward, they meet somewhere here. This point is F. So this distance PF is towards the right of the pole. So focal length is positive here in case of convex mirror. So we have plus 1, isn't it? So F and focal length are known to us now. Now we will use mirror formula to calculate the position of image. So write the mirror formula. So it will be 1 by V plus 1 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by 1. Now this can be written as or 1 by V is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 10 or 1 by V is equal to 10. So it will be 11 by 10 or V is equal to 10 by 11. So if you will simplify, it will be around 0.9 meter. So we can say that the car would appear at 0.9 meter from the convex mirror. Hence, car will appear at a distance of 0.9 meter from the convex mirror. Now another thing that we have to calculate is H dash. So again we will use that relationship. H dash by H is equal to minus V by U. So H is how much? H is given. I think it is not given here. So we can't use this formula. We can also write it as M, magnification of the car. We are calculating magnification of the car. So M is equal to minus V is how much? 10 by 11 and U is how much? Minus 10. In denominator 1 is hidden. So this can be written as minus 10 by 11 into 1 by minus 10. Minus minus cancel, this cancel, you will get 1 by 11. So what we can say about size of the image? We can say that size of image of car will be a fraction of 1/11th the actual size of the car. So the image will be 1/11th time reduced from the actual size of the car. So these are the two answers which we have to calculate. Now I think it is clear to you. And the last question that I was given the diagram of that question, that is a board question that they have asked this year, and you will solve that question. The diagram is given in that question, and I think answers are 30 centimeter and 2 centimeters like this. You must solve it, and on Saturday evening you submit it to me. Now in next class we will discuss about next topic, that is refraction of light.